In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook calendar invite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, professional invite that includes all the key details your attendees need. First, open Outlook and switch to the calendar view. You'll usually find the calendar icon on the lower left side of the window. This puts you in the place where Outlook organizes all your meetings and events, and it's the starting point for creating a new invite. Next, start a new event. Look toward the top left corner and click New Event. This opens a new meeting window where you'll add all the information that turns a blank event into a clear invitation. Begin with a strong title. In the subject line, give your meeting a concise, descriptive name so people immediately understand what it's about. Think Project Kickoff instead of something vague. Now add your attendees. Click into the Invite Attendees field and begin typing names or email addresses. Outlook will suggest people from your organization and your contacts. Select the right people, and make sure you've included everyone who needs to be there. If you're inviting external guests, type their full email addresses. Set the time. You can pick one of the suggested times Outlook shows, or manually choose the date along with the start and end times. Make sure the duration fits your agenda, and double-check that the time works for your audience, especially if people are in different locations. It's a good habit to avoid unusual start times unless there's a reason. Choose the location or make it online. If you're meeting in person, type the room or address in the location field. If you're meeting virtually, use the toggle to make it a Teams meeting. Outlook will automatically add the join link and dial-in details if available. Keep it to one primary location so attendees know exactly how to join. Use the main body to add your description. Include a simple agenda, key talking points, any preparation requests, and relevant links. You can also attach files here so your attendees have the materials ahead of time. Clear descriptions help meetings start faster and stay focused. When everything looks right, click Send. Your invite will go out to everyone you added, and recipients can accept or decline. You'll see the meeting appear on your calendar, and updates you make later will notify the attendees. That's it. Thanks for watching.